Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And just the other day I made a video like this, but I couldn't figure out how to do something. And I kind of figured it out. Might not be the best way. I've got a 20-inch circle, so I'm just kind of starting over. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. My ratio is locked, so all I have to do is type in 10. And then kind of the key trick here is to select them both and hit L, and that'll put that to the exact left. And then take that one and Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it and move the rotation to the quadrant. Didn't quite get there. There it is. And then rotate it 10 degrees. And then just continue rotating 10 degrees till you get to an even mark. Now the problem was, and I'm going to go ahead and, I don't need to, but I'm going to go ahead and group this together. And then my problem was getting this line, and I'm going to make this line black. Getting this line to intersect the intersections, because you need to be zoomed in, and if you hold down the shift key, it'll grow from the inside out, but you cannot really see, and you need to be right on it to snap to it. So I kind of figured this out this morning. If you will grab that one till you get the two part, and then move it, holding down the shift key, it's going to snap to that quadrant. Now it made it an egg shape, so you're going to have to go to the other side, grab the shape tool and grab till you get that 4-point or 2-point, hold down the shift key and snap to it. And the reason you've got to do this, Control D, is because they're not even perfect circles, because the lines are going at different degrees. So we're pretty close with this one, but if we, and this one's a little bit harder, because it's not exactly, well, we're going to go up, aren't we? So it does work. So grab till you get that, hold down the shift key, and it's going to snap to, if you have snap to object on. But it's like I said on the other one, it's an egg shape. So you just need to go to the other side, get that two-handled arrow, hold down the shift key and have it snap to that. Control D and make a duplicate while you're here. Just go ahead and make it snap to that, but it's still an egg shape. This one's a little bit harder because they're getting closer together, but you've still got that one selected. It won't change. Start moving, hold down the shift key. Now you've got perfect circles. Let's do one more, or maybe even two more to kind of see. So there's no way to Control D and make it equal, but because the paths are smaller, and you could maybe even do two at a time, but you still need to go to the other side. What the shift key does, and because you didn't snap off of it or unselected, you still got that one selected. And if you go right to it, so then you've got equal circles. And the reason we were doing that is because if you take your Smart Fill tool and fill in, well, actually fill in the other side, you know, fill in this, you get a totally different look. Anyway, I hope that kind of answered that question, and thank you for watching.